More than 60 people fell sick after eating lunch at ByteDance's Singapore office, and now the catering company behind the food has pleaded guilty in court. What really happened in this shocking mass food poisoning incident, and why were cockroaches found at the company's kitchen the very next day? On the 2nd of July, Lu Jitao, the chief executive officer of catering firm Yunhaiyao, admitted guilt on behalf of the company. They were hit with two charges, one under the Environmental Public Health Rules and another under the Sale of Food Act. This comes almost a year after ByteDance employees who work at One Raffles Quay were served catered lunch that led to severe food poisoning. The main dish in question? Wok fried diced chicken. Soon after the meal, more than 60 staff members complained of stomach pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. Many were rushed to hospitals across Singapore. The culprit was found to be Staphylococcus aureus, a bacteria commonly linked to unhygienic food handling. And it wasn't just a little bacteria. Food safety rules allow no more than 100 bacteria colonies per gram. But the chicken served that day had over 200,000 colonies in one sample. That's more than 2,000 times the legal limit. According to the Singapore Food Agency, this made the dish unsafe to eat. But the story doesn't end there. Just one day after the incident, food inspectors visited Yunhaiyao's kitchen and made a disturbing discovery. At least 10 live cockroaches crawling beneath a folded plastic mat behind a rack. The infested items were immediately thrown away, but the damage to the company's reputation was already done. Despite the seriousness of the case, the SFA prosecutor asked for a fine of only $5,500. Why? Because it was Yunhaiyao's first recorded offense. However, District Judge Janet Wong wasn't so quick to agree. She said the impact on victims wasn't clear enough and that more information was needed before deciding on the sentence. She asked for a detailed report: how many people were hospitalized, how many needed medical treatment, and how many were given hospitalization leave. Sentencing is now postponed to 17 July. Until then, the final punishment remains uncertain. With so many people affected, should catering companies that serve large offices like ByteDance be held to stricter safety standards? And is a one-time fine really enough when public trust has been shaken? If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel 2230.